What's going on, everyone? Kai-Fi here, back with another video, and today we're going to be creating a galaxy effect in Photoshop. So we're going to be creating something that looks like this, a swirling galaxy with this blue coloring. So let's get started. It's quick and easy, and I think it looks pretty cool. So we're going to start with a blank, empty white canvas, and make sure you have white selected as the color picker, as the top color in your color picker, pardon me. And then the first thing we're going to do is go up to the filter tab, go to render, and then go to clouds, which will create a cloud effect on your canvas. After that, we're going to go to filter, we're going to go to distort, and we're going to go to twirl. And then you can change the angle, which will create a larger, smaller swirl and change the way in which it is swirling. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. It's not too much swirl, but it looks pretty cool. And as you can see, it's going to twirl these clouds around. And then after we do that, we're going to right click on our layer and we're going to duplicate it. And next we are going to add a plastic wrap to this top layer, this duplicate layer. So we're going to go to filter, filter gallery, we're going to go to artistic, and we're going to select plastic wrap. And then set these values: highlight, stretch, set that equal to 12, detail, set that equal to 6, and smoothness, set that equal to 6, and push OK. So as you can see, it's created a plastic wrap effect. Next, we're going to change the blend mode from normal. We're going to change that to soft light. So let's see, right here, soft light on that top layer. And then finally, we're going to go ahead and duplicate that layer again. So now we have 3 layers, and then we're going to be working on the top layer. So next, we are going to add a chrome effect. So we're going to go to filter, filter gallery, we're going to go to the sketch selections and click chrome. And for the values, we're going to do 5 for detail and 5 for smoothness, and then click OK to apply that effect. And finally, we're almost there. We just have to add the color. So go down to your color picker. I'm going to use a blue color. You can use any color you want. I'm going to push OK to get a blue color. I'm going to go to the paintbrush tool. I'm going to set the opacity to 35%, as you can see. And I'm just going to color over this galaxy with this, this transparent blue color. So once we do that, we're pretty much done. I mean, we've created a blue galaxy with a swirling effect and added a blue color to it. Obviously, you can add different colors: red, purple, green, orange, yellow, or make the swirl tighter, go the other way, make the swirl looser. Also, if you go up to the filter distort, you can distort it different ways. You can do ripple, swirl, or ripple, twirl, sphere, shear, spherize, pardon, I can't even read those, but there's lots of different effects to play around with. But today I just showed you how to do the twirl effect to create clouds that look like a galaxy. So yeah, it was quick and easy. It looks pretty cool. It'd be awesome for space backgrounds or designs or anything of the sort. It only took like 4 or 5 steps. It was super quick and easy. I hope you all learned something, and please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.